Hey friends, if you wish to co-author and collaborate on Excel workbooks, then please watch this video. Search for Excel and open an Excel workbook. Now create an Excel workbook, enter some data into it. If you wish to collaborate on it, obviously the option is to share, but all the links won't be active in the initial phase. So you'll have to turn the switch on and save it to OneDrive. Okay, once it is saved to OneDrive, then you will be able to click on share, and then you will get all the links here, and now you will be able to collaborate, not just share. So you can share it by sending it to a specific email ID, like you can send it to some other email ID, and that person can start collaborating, or you can simply copy the link and share the link with the person. Okay, that's how easy it is. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.